Looking for the best HVAC services in Red Deer? Before you choose a company, here's what you should know. Heating and cooling systems are essential, especially with Alberta's extreme temperatures. The right HVAC company can help keep your home comfortable year-round and prevent costly breakdowns. Red Deer has experienced HVAC professionals offering furnace repair, air conditioning, and full system installations. The best companies stand out for their reliability, fast service, and honest pricing. Having the right HVAC service can save you time, money, and stress when you need it most. Follow Shop Red Deer to discover more trusted local businesses, and tag an HVAC company you recommend.